Dear students, I welcome you back to the class of English Compulsory BA second year. In the previous class, we dealt with non-fictional prose item written by Milkha Singh, that is The Flying Sikh. There are 4 units for semester 3rd in English compulsory. The first unit is fiction, which comprises 2 short stories. The Model Millionaire, written by Oscar Wilde. The second story is The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. Unit number 2 is of poetry, which comprises 2 poems. Unit number 3 is non-fictional prose, which comprises 2 non-fictional prose items. The first one is At School, written by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And the second non-fictional prose item is The Flying Sikh, written by Milkha Singh. And Unit 4 deals with grammar and communication skills, in which we will be studying direct and indirect speech of narration, and in written communication we shall study writing for the print media. Friends, today we are going to study the second short story written by Mulk Raj Anand. The title of the story is The Lost Child. First of all, let us deal with the introduction of Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand is one of the 3 big novelists and short story writers who tried their hands successfully in Indian writing in English. Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao and R.K. Narayan are regarded as 3 bigs who earned a name and fame to Indian prose writing. They wrote number of novels and short stories. Mulk Raj Anand was born on 12th December 1905 in Peshawar. In British India, Peshawar was the part of British India, but in the present scenario, Peshawar is the part of Pakistan. After partition, Mulk Raj Anand came to India and he died on 28th September 2004 in Pune. He was prominent Indian author of novels, short stories and essays. He was known for realistic and sympathetic portrayal of India in his writing. He is regarded as founder of Indian English novel. His notable works include Untouchable. Untouchable is notable novel of Mulk Raj Anand, which was published in the year 1935. In that novel, Mulk Raj Anand depicted the pathetic condition of the people residing in the downtrodden strata of Indian society. His another popular novel is Coolie. It was published in the year 1936, and another notable novel is Two Leaves and a Bud, which was published in 1937. Mulk Raj Anand studied at Khalsa College, Amritsar, and moved to University College London and Cambridge University. He was awarded PhD in philosophy in the year 1929. Mulk Raj Anand was honored with national and international awards. He was awarded International Peace Prize in 1953. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1967 and Sahitya Academy Award in 1971 for his outstanding contribution to Indian writing in English. His autobiographical novel is Seven Ages of Men. It was planned in 7 volumes, but he could complete just 4 volumes out of 7. So this is the introduction of Mulk Raj Anand. He was born in the year 1905 in Peshawar, now it is in Pakistan. He died in the year 2004 in Pune. He is prominent Indian author of novels, short stories and essays in English. He is known for his realistic and sympathetic portrayal of India. He is regarded as founder of Indian English novel. Notable works of Mulk Raj Anand are Untouchables, Coolie, Two Leaves and a Bud. He studied at Khalsa College, Amritsar, and he moved to University College London and Cambridge University for higher education. He was awarded PhD in philosophy in the year 1929. He was honored with certain national and international awards. He was awarded with International Peace Prize in the year 1953. He got Padma Bhushan and Sahitya Academy Award as well. His autobiographical novel, which was planned in 7 volumes, the title of his autobiographical novel was Seven Ages of Men. Out of 7 volumes, he could complete just 4 volumes. So friends, it is the introduction of Mulk Raj Anand, whose story, The Lost Child, we are going to study. This story is included in our syllabus in unit number 1, fiction, and this is second story from this unit. The theme of the story is universality of a child's nature for everything. Child is regarded as an angel, blank slate. The nature of all children may be from any country, any race, any religion, any color. The nature of children is one and the same. So we find curiosity among the children residing in all countries of the world. Children are very much curious by nature. They are aspirant to get number of things. There is no rest for their desire. There is no barrier to their expectations. They demand and they demand number of things at their parents. So the present story, The Lost Child, deals with universality of child's nature, curiosity among the children, and aspiration, demands, and realization. These things are found in this story. A strong bond of love between a child and parents also is depicted in the present story, The Lost Child, and true value of parents in the life of children. So these are some important aspects which Mulk Raj Anand has covered in this story, The Lost Child. So friends, in the following class we shall deal with the story The Lost Child elaborately with a sublime depiction of Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand has portrayed a child who goes to the fair with his parents, and on the way he comes across number of things and he could not control his excitements, so he keeps on demanding certain things to his parents. Finally the child reaches to the fair, and fair is the place of amusement where number of shops are there, different varieties of balloons are there, different varieties of toys are kept in the shops in the fair, different varieties of sweets are there, so sweet vendors are there, and fair is crowded place where the child gets lost or child gets separated from his parents and finally tries to find his parents, but when he fails to find his parents he starts crying. So there is a generous gentleman in the fair. He notices the pathetic condition of the child and he takes that child on his arm. He tries to console the child. He takes the child to the shops, showing him toys, sweets, balloons, giant wheel, and many more things. But the child does not stop crying because child doesn't want anything. He wants his parents. So the gentleman asks the child, what does he want? That time the child replies, I want nothing but my parents. So friends, in this story Mulk Raj Anand has made an attempt to focus on certain elements such as universality of child's nature, then curiosity in the child's nature, aspiration, demands, and realization of a child, and a strong bond of love between child and parents. And finally Mulk Raj Anand tries to show the importance or value of parents in the life of child. So in the following class we shall deal with the story The Lost Child elaborately with the help of the text. So with this I would like to remain here. Rest of the things shall be continued in the following class. Thank you very much.